So what you can do here now is you want the reader that is interested in this to also become a customer for some of your affiliates that you are marketing. So how can you earn money on this? Well, we need to put in some links. And let's try and do that. Let's say edit. Actually, we're going to go down to this post here. And I have some links here already. I have some links to the websites. I have a link here to another website where it says we are the leading in fitness equipment for home exercise. So there's a link on this one that goes straight to that website. So let's just try and copy this one. And then we're going to put it into the other article. So the reader is going to read this and he wants to do his own exercise at home. Maybe he needs a foam mat. So you could put the product down here, a picture of that foam mat, and then you're going to link to that. It's not a very expensive product, but this is how it will work. I don't want to spam my text too much with all these links, but we can make one down here, for example. This is going to be just a link to the websites. So when people, they read this and they see this link, okay, there's actually someone who is leading in fitness exercise equipment for home exercise. Let me check that one. Because maybe they have some really nice machinery or tools, equipment, and they have a lot here. So maybe I want one of these at home. Maybe I want one of this machine at home. And if the guy, he buys this one, in the cookie, it put a little link there so they can track it back to me. So I will get 10% of this amount down here. And this is how affiliate marketing is working. You create content. The content is being indexed by Google. The reader comes to the web page. You made a very nice article that inform your reader. And he wants to do something also. He also getting motivated to exercise. He wants to buy some fitness equipment. The cookie will stay in his web browser for 30 days. Now you can create some content. You can make a blog. You can also go and make a YouTube video. And you can put your links in the description. Maybe you want to make a review of some fitness equipment or a cooking machine. Maybe you want to do TikTok posts where you explain something and you can put a link in there. You can do it on Instagram. Just create a lot of content that is related. Keep it in the same topic. And then try and focus on creating value to your customer or to your reader. Then they will start following you. And another thing you can do is when the customer is leaving your website, for example, you can make a pop-up post here where you will, for example, giving a free ebook about how to get six packs very fast. And then they leave you their email. And then you start building up an email bank. And then later on, you can actually send out offers to your readers in your email list. You can also make affiliate marketing tunnels where you sell different products. So you can offer something for free and then later you can turn it into a paying customer because they're already interested in this subject. This is a very nice strategy you should follow. I prefer to do website and content like this. This is what I prefer, but I'm also working on YouTube and TikTok. TikTok is nice because you can get out to a lot of viewers very fast. So try to create some good content there also and build up your followers. And when you reach 1,000 followers, your link will actually be active and you can start directing people into like, you can use a link tree, for example. And you can use this here. When people click on your link, you can put that link anywhere. You could put it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, on your website. And then when people click that link, this one here will open. You can have a little shop where you sell products or refer products. I have my favorite tools I'm using here for my affiliate marketing business. So I actually have the Koala chat here. So if you want to check it out, go here and check it out. You can try it for free, and later you can turn into a paying customer if you want to try it out. The first step is $9 per month. You can make 15,000 words. So you can make 15 articles out of 1,000 words if you want. So I really recommend that one. When I was blogging for like 10, 11 years ago, it was so hard to blog because the article was so hard to write. Sometimes I had to use third party because they're much better at writing than I am. But I think the quality is really good. And if you set up the settings best for you, then it will come out with some really good content that gives value to your reader. So yeah, I think it works really good actually. Yeah, that was a nice walkover from me to you. I hope you liked it. I put my favorite tools in a link below, so just check them out. It will benefit you a lot. I will make more videos in the future, so just follow and like, and have a nice evening.